All right, special thanks to the folks over at Syncwire who were nice enough to send me their iPhone car charger to unbox and show you guys. So the front just has the Syncwire logo. I like their little design in there, that's pretty cool. iPhone car charger, simple, superior, reliable, same little message there. Syncwire trademarks, nothing on the side, nothing on that side. And the back just shows your features. So it has the newest Apple MFI certified C89 smart chip. I'll be 100% honest with you, have no clue what that really means, but it has it. A dual out port to charge 2 devices simultaneously. It supports safe fast charging up to 4.8 amps and 24 watts. 4.8 amps and 24 watts means this thing would really charge your phone pretty quick. You could go a short distance and it'd be done charging. Flexible built-in lightning spring cord, an additional USB port, and reliable material and unibody design with LED indicator. And you can see here total power 24 watts max, output 5 volts, 4.8 amps. So yeah, let's open this on up and see what we have. And down in here, that's it for the box. And first, let's go through this user's guide real quick, because this should give us some information that'll be helpful. So, where's English? Okay, well, it didn't give us information that would be helpful. Never mind. So, let's take a look at the charger. Plastic. So, silver, Syncwire branding there. Should fit very nicely in your cigarette lighter. I like that this is all one piece. I don't feel like it'll break as easy being one piece. And then there is your little cable. As you can see, as you may be able to see, it's about 1.5 feet, maybe 2 feet at this length, but it can of course stretch. So I think max you can get maybe about 3 feet out of this cable. Got a little Syncwire branding there. And then you can see here, you got 2.4 amps and 2.4 amps. Okay, so that's how it worked. That's what I was hoping the manual would tell me, was how much they pulled. This one's only pulling 2.4 amps, and then this one pulls 2.4 if something's plugged in. So this should of course work with any iPhone Lightning port compatible device. I think 2.4 amps is much better, so it's gonna charge at a pretty good rate of speed, being 24 watts max. You're probably getting about 12 watts with just one. I would say that's split in half, probably 12 here, 12 here, since they're completely even. In the end, with 12-watt fast charging, you would probably in 30 minutes easily get, 30 to 40% charge if you were driving. Very nice. That's what comes in the box and exactly what the product looks like. I think that will do it for this video. Again, thanks to Syncwire. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.